Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Before CNC machines, craftsmen carved depth into surfaces by hand, raising ridges, cutting recesses, catching light on edges. Bevel and emboss in Photoshop's layer styles recreates that dimensional quality digitally. Enable it in the layer style dialog. Inner bevel adds depth to the inside of your element. Emboss raises the entire element off the background. The depth slider controls how pronounced the three-dimensional effect appears. Highlight mode and shadow mode control the colors of the light and dark faces. Use warm gold for the highlight and deep brown for the shadow to create a convincing metallic coin effect. Combined with a gradient overlay and satin style, it produces premium embossed badge designs.